Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we are going to create a beautiful pencil sketch of a girl with the butterfly under the moonlight. Grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. Start by lightly sketching the basic shapes. For the girl, draw an oval for the head and a vertical lines down for her body. This will help you position everything correctly. Now let's add the facial features. Divide the oval with a horizontal line for the eyes. Position the eyes, nose and mouth. Remember, keep it simple. We will add details later. Now, next sketch the outline of her hair. Think about the flow and style, maybe long and wavy or short and cute. Keep it light, you can refine it later. Now, outline her body. Draw the arms and legs using simple shapes. For her clothing, add basic outlines for a dress or top. Focus on the silhouette, we will add details soon. Let's draw the butterfly. Start with a small oval for the body and add the wings. You can give them a whimsical design. Feel free to get creative with patterns. For the moonlight, sketch a large circle in the background. You can add some stars around it to enhance the night sky feel. Now it's time to add details. Refine the girl's feature, hair, and clothing. Add texture to the wing of the butterfly and create a glowing effect around the moon. Let's add shading to give depth. Lightly shade the areas where shadows naturally fall under the chin, around the hair, and beneath the butterfly. Finally, review your drawing. Darken the outlines where needed and clean up any unnecessary lines. Your artwork should start to come to life. And there you have it, a lovely sketch of a girl with a butterfly in the moonlight. Don't forget to sign your work. Thanks for joining me today. Keep practicing and you will see your skills improve. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.